My name's Curt Mason. I live in Oak Island, North Carolina, and I'm here with my 1973 Volkswagen Thing. I've had it, I bought it just before we moved down here 3 years ago from West Virginia. I had lived on the Outer Banks just about all of the 1980s, and at that time I was working on the coast and going recreating with our vehicles and my 3 kids on the beach. So I needed a car that would go on the beach. But I didn't have a lot of money, so I bought a Volkswagen Thing. And I found out that they were so good on the beach, and so I bought 3 more. One of the guys in the Winchester, Virginia car club had a white VW Thing, 1973, as I said. And I talked to him years ago and said, if you ever sell that car, I would like to have right of first refusal, because I used to own these cars. And he said, you got it. And so he got ready to sell it. That was about 6 years after that conversation. I brought it down here. It's completely restored. It can drive from here to the West Coast, I have no doubt. It's in very good condition. And it's a beach car. It's definitely a beach car. We take it to shows. It's my daily driver as well. We don't take it on the beach because it's illegal to drive on the beach in Oak Island, which I'm really upset about. The windshield folds down flat. And driving it with your wind in your face is just wonderful. But it's a great car for just on a day like this, going to the beach and driving around, just with the wind in your hair and what hair you have. We've taken it to shows, both the Cape Fear Cruiser show and Wilmington. She's won trophies. It was in the movie Reprisal that was filmed in Wilmington for a brief moment. I acted in the movie and drove the car, and it was fun.
Oh. Ah.
Thank you so much for your time. Love seeing the car.